Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and here I am showing you another card class available for you. So this one features the Bloom by Bloom stamp set, and as you can see, this is great. It has lots of flowers, so you can lay out and do lots of cards and backgrounds for this. Now you're gonna notice that there's no sentiments on this one, so for this card class I decided to pair it with the Strong and Beautiful. Now this one is not included in any of the options, but you will have an option to add it on if you want. Now let me just tell you a little bit of this stamp set. So this is great, and look at all the different sentiments, and I think it goes really well for all the women in your life. But even though it is here for all the women in your life, you can also use this one for all the men in your life. I'm just thinking about this one. You have what it takes to be unstoppable, and I couldn't be more proud. I think that will go really well for your son, don't you think? I mean, there's some other ones like I cherish you, my true friend. I know I can always count on you. I think it also goes really well, no matter if it is a woman or a man. And then also there is the thank you for always being there for me. And keep reaching for your dreams. I'll keep cheering you on. I mean, I think that all of them are fantastic. So definitely this is a great set to have. And again, even though it's here for women, you can also use it for the men in your life. So anyway, now the card class, like I said, doesn't include that stamp set, but you can add it on. Now, if you don't want to add it on, you can customize all the cards to any occasions that you might want. Just change the different sentiments on the cards. Now, one thing also to mention is with the sentiments that I choose. You can also do the inside of the cards with the sentiments. I mean, that's an option. So let me just go and show you the different the different options that I have. But first, let me just show you. So these are the 6 cards that will be included in this card class. And one of the things that I really like is that on this one, I actually decided that I was going to show you how to do the outside, but also how to decorate the inside. So lots of these cards, or actually all of them, have the inside also decorated. So this is a great card for you to show you how to do the outside and the inside of the cards. Now the option 1 is the one that includes everything. This one includes the Bloom by Bloom stamp set. It also includes the Calypso Coral satin ribbon, and it also includes the Happiness Blooms enamel dots. It will include also all the cardstock needed for the 6 cards, as well as the links for all the video tutorials on this card class. Now that option is $67, and there's also plus an $8 shipping fee. I always ship priority mail, so there is a tracking that goes along with it. Now, option 2 is for those of you who might already have the Bloom by Bloom stamp set. I know that this has been released back in January, so you might already have this one. That's okay. Then option 2 is the one for you. Option 2, it's the one that has all the make and takes as well, and it also includes the Happiness Blooms enamel dots as well as the satin ribbon in Calypso Coral. Now, option 2 is $49. And again, it includes all the make and take packs for the cards. The make and take packet for all the cards, as well as the video tutorials. And then the last option is option 3, and that one is for those of you who already have everything. You already own the ribbon, the dots, the stamp set. You can do your own cutting, and so that one is just for the tutorial. The tutorial part is $20. One thing that I forgot to mention is option 1 and option 2 have a shipping fee of $8. However, if you live or you're local to me, and you can choose the option to pick up. That way you don't pay the shipping. Now the shipping fee is $8, but again, it can be waived if you're local to me and want to pick it up at my home. So anyway. So, like I said, on the description, I will put all the information and all the links for you to make sure to register to this class. And also, while you are on the description, make sure you sign up for my email letter. That way, you get more information about all our future classes, and you are the first one to get information as to how to register, where to register, and all the information. So, anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I really hope that you can make it, and I'll see you in the class. Thank you. Bye.